What if the number on your weighing scale is trying to warn you? Most people think weight change is normal. They blame getting older, eating differently, stress, less sleep, or less exercise, and sometimes that is true. But not always. Sometimes your body changes weight before you notice anything else. No pain, no major symptoms, no obvious illness. Just a slow change that looks harmless. And that is exactly why it can be dangerous. Unexplained weight loss is something major medical sources say should not be ignored. It can be associated with stress, thyroid problems, diabetes, digestive disorders, malnutrition, depression, and in some cases, more serious disease. But weight gain matters too. If your weight is climbing unexpectedly, especially around the waist, it may reflect deeper metabolic trouble. Conditions such as metabolic syndrome and fatty liver disease are linked with excess abdominal fat, abnormal blood sugar, blood pressure, and cholesterol changes. In simple words, your weight may be the visible clue while the real problem is hidden inside. This is where AI becomes interesting. AI can analyze patterns from wearable devices, lifestyle data, health records, and other signals to help identify risk earlier than people usually notice on their own. Researchers are studying AI for obesity risk prediction, chronic disease monitoring, and wearable-based health tracking. That does not mean AI looks at your body once and magically tells you what disease you have. It means AI may help connect the dots earlier. Weight trend, sleep change, and activity drop. Heart rate pattern, glucose changes, and other health signals. That combination may help doctors intervene sooner. Current reviews also note real limits, including usability, data quality, and the fact that these systems work better as decision support tools than as standalone medical judgment. So the next time your clothes suddenly feel loose or your waistline changes faster than expected, do not dismiss it too quickly. Your weight may not just be changing. Your body may be warning you. And in the future, AI may help catch that warning earlier, before the bigger symptoms arrive. If you believe health warnings should be detected earlier, please like, share, and subscribe to follow more videos on how AI may change the future of early disease detection.